Okay, picture this. Every time you call producer.send, you're thinking, great, this message is on its way, right? Wrong. Because here's the thing. If every single send triggered an immediate network call, you'd absolutely tank your throughput. Like the I/O overhead alone, it would choke your system way before you even come close to maxing out your bandwidth. And that's exactly why Kafka producers don't work that way. They use something called a record accumulator. It batches your messages together before sending them out.
But here's where it gets tricky. If you're optimizing purely for throughput, just trying to max out that batch size, you're basically gambling on traffic volume. What happens during a quiet period? That first message, it just sits there in the accumulator, waiting and waiting. You've optimized for throughput, sure, but you've accidentally created this unbounded latency problem.
And now your downstream services are starving. The data's sitting there, fresh in RAM, but by the time it actually hits the wire, it's already stale. So here's the fix, linger.ms. What we do is introduce a deterministic timeout. We basically tell the producer, hey, wait for the batch to fill, but never longer than, say, 5 milliseconds. That forces the request to fire no matter what. So now your latency has this guaranteed upper bound, regardless of how much traffic you're seeing.
All right, so we've fixed the latency problem. But keep this in mind, speed isn't the same as safety. If that node crashes while your batch is still sitting in RAM, that data's gone. Forever. But we'll tackle that next time.